everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you're my teacher, hello. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So, let's get started. We have this question right here. Let f be the function defined by f of x equals 2x plus 1 over 4x squared minus 3. Find the slope of the line tangent to the graph of f at x equals 4. Now, let's see right here. What is the question asking? Find the slope of the line tangent. Alright, now if you're like me and you see line tangent, the first thing you think of is, y minus y1 equals m of x minus x1. I'm here to tell you, that's wrong. Why? Reread the question. Find the slope of the line tangent at x equals 4. We're simply looking for the slope. We don't need this extra information. It's just there. We just need the slope. Now, when you think of slope, what do you think? Well, what comes to mind? If you said derivative, you're correct. So what does this mean? Well, we take the derivative of this function. So we have 2x plus 1 over 4x squared minus 3. Now what? How do we take the derivative of this? If you said quotient rule, you're correct. Quotient rule is p prime times q minus q prime times p over q prime, or not q prime, q squared. Another way to think about it is f prime of x times g of x minus g prime of x times f of x over, what did I say it was? G of x squared. Pretty much the exact same thing. For simplicity purposes, I am going to be using this simply because that is how my brain works. So what is p and what is q? P is the numerator, q the denominator. Now that we have established that, let's find the derivatives. P prime is 2x and q prime is 8x. Allow me to correct myself, it is simply 2. Alright, now what? Well, we plug in p prime, and we plug in q prime, and we plug in q, and we plug in p. Simple enough, right? So we have 2 times 4x squared minus 3 minus 8x times 2x plus 1 over 4x squared minus 3 squared. Alright, we're done here, right? We took the derivative and that's it. This would be our answer. This is what our slope would be. This is our absolute final answer. Right? Wrong. If you didn't tell from me over elaborating, this isn't quite the last step. We still have to plug in x equals 4. So let's do that real quick. So we have 2 times 4 of 4 squared minus 3 minus 8 times 4 times 2 times 4 plus 1 over 4 squared minus 3 squared. And then we can plug this into our calculator, or we can do it by hand. I didn't prepare beforehand, so I'm going to be doing it by hand here. So let's see. This is 4 times 16, which is 64, I believe. 4 times 16, yeah, it's 64. So we get 64 minus 3, and we get 8 plus 1, that's 9. 8 times 4 is 32. Alright, we got 32 here, and we have a T here. And this is a 61. Alright. 61 minus 32 times 9 over 61 squared. Now, if I had my calculator with me, that would be so much easier. So, let's see if I can either find my calculator fast enough. Oh, I did. Perfect, isn't it? Please bear with me. You probably got the answer. Go ahead and fast forward to the answer if necessary, because I am currently a mess. Oh, no, oh. And my calculator decided to turn off. This is not good. Times 61 minus 32 times 9 divided by 61 squared. So in this case, I clearly did not think of this through when I first made this question, but I got negative 0.0446 as my slope. I hope you have a good day, and I hope this was able to help even if I didn't get the right answer. But essentially what we did here is we took the derivative of this to start finding slope, and then we plugged in this into our little slope equation. And from there, we simply calculated it, and we solved for our slope at that certain point. I hope you have a great day, and thanks for watching.